Creating content in WordPress is a pretty straightforward affair. So now we'll go to posts and add some new content for our readers. And we'll add a new post on tomato harvesting. And we'll say that we harvested 5 bushels of tomatoes this week. And this is honestly horrible content because it's one sentence and it doesn't have any pictures, it doesn't have any real information, doesn't have any of that. But we're going to add a new category, which is a parent category, and we'll use tomato. And we will also put in our tags vegetable, tomato, and harvest. And we'll publish that and view our post. And now we have some content. We also have some tags now, so that's another part of our site that now is filling out a little more. Now we do want to go to our categories to see what kind of categories we want to make. We will make some tomato category, an onion category, a fertilizer category, a category for carrots, and that will do us for now. We will no doubt add more categories as time goes on, but plain and simple, there's no way that you're ever going to know all the categories that you're ever going to use before you start using your site and before months or years down the road when you find something new to post about. But thankfully, you can add categories directly from the post editor. So let's add another post about onions. Again, on a real site, you'll be adding quality content with more pictures and links and all sorts of interesting multimedia to keep your readers interested. And we'll add some fun tags to go along with it as well. And we'll publish. And return to our main site, where we now have a couple of posts and some tags and a couple categories that are populated. And as time goes on, this will continue to fill out, this will continue to grow, and that's the important thing about your content. It always needs to be growing. On a blog, most people will say that you need to post at least once a day to get the kind of exposure that you'll want, to get the kind of readership that you'll want. Again, that can be a daunting task, but please remember that you can schedule posts to be posted in the future. So you can write all these on a weekend or on a day off for the whole week or the month or whatever you'd like. And that will alleviate you from having to post every day manually. That will also open you up to using that time that you would have used to post as much as you could to post an extra article every now and then. So you'll have more than one article coming out on some days. And the more articles you can post, the better off you'll be because you'll get that much more exposure and have that much more content for potential readers to enjoy.